Hello, I'm Dr. Joseph Butler. It's a pleasure to have you here today. On this channel, we talk about healthy aging, prevention, and the small daily habits that can make a real difference in how we feel, think, and live as the years go by. Before we begin with today's topic, I'd like to gently invite you to subscribe to the channel and leave a like if you enjoy learning about ways to protect your health, your memory, and your independence over time. It helps this information reach more people who may benefit from it. And after you've watched the video, if you feel curious to explore further, you'll also find a link below with more information about a natural supplement that many older adults have been adding to their routines as part of supporting their overall brain health and well-being. Now, let's talk about something that most people over 65 do every single night, without realizing how much it may be affecting the brain. Over the years, I've noticed a pattern in many of my patients. Good people, active people, intelligent people who take care of themselves. Yet little by little, they begin to notice small changes. They forget where they placed things. Names take a little longer to come back. Focus feels slightly different. Mornings feel a bit more mentally foggy than they used to. And almost always, they say the same thing. "Doctor, I guess this is just part of getting older." Sometimes that's true, but many times there is something else happening. Something subtle, something quiet, something that happens at night. You see, sleep is not just rest. Sleep is one of the most important biological processes your brain depends on. During deep sleep, your brain begins a powerful nightly reset. It clears away waste products that build up during the day. It strengthens memory pathways. It helps regulate emotional balance. It supports mental clarity. Think of it as maintenance for the mind. But after the age of 65, this process becomes more sensitive. Sleep becomes lighter, easier to interrupt, more fragile. And certain nighttime habits that seem completely harmless, can quietly reduce the amount of deep sleep your brain receives. And that's where the problem begins. One of the most common things I see is stimulation right before bed. Television, phones, tablets, bright lights. These things feel relaxing. They feel like a way to unwind. But to the brain, they send a very different message. They signal that it's still daytime. This can interfere with the body's natural rhythm and delay the signals that help the brain slow down and prepare for deep sleep. When sleep becomes shallow, the brain spends less time in the stage where restoration happens. And over time, this can affect how the mind feels in the morning. Another very common nighttime pattern is going to bed with an active mind. Many older adults lie down and begin thinking about everything that happened during the day. Family concerns, responsibilities, health worries, plans for tomorrow. Even though the body is resting, the brain stays busy. And when the brain stays busy, it takes longer to enter deeper stages of sleep. This doesn't always wake you up completely, but it keeps sleep lighter. And lighter sleep means the brain doesn't get the full chance to reset. There's also the issue of irregular sleep schedules. Going to bed at very different times each night can confuse the body's internal clock. The brain prefers consistency. It responds well to rhythm. When bedtime changes constantly, sleep quality can slowly decline. Another small but important factor is eating too close to bedtime. A heavy meal late at night keeps the body active. Digestion continues. Internal systems remain alert when they should be slowing down. And once again, the depth of sleep can be affected. Even falling asleep with the television on can reduce sleep quality. The changing light and sound can keep part of the brain engaged, even if you don't fully wake up. None of these habits seem dangerous. In fact, they feel normal. But when they happen night after night, year after year, they can quietly influence how the brain ages. Now, I want to be very clear. This is not about fear. This is not about perfection. Everyone has restless nights. Everyone wakes up sometimes. That's completely normal. What matters most is the pattern over time. Because when sleep becomes deeper and more restorative, many people begin to notice something interesting. They feel clearer in the morning, more focused, more present, less mentally foggy. I've had patients tell me they didn't realize how tired their minds had been until they started sleeping better. Not because of anything dramatic, just small changes, small adjustments in what they did at night. Movement during the day also plays an important role. All even light signal walking, to the brain that gentle it's safe to rest, or regular activity, and this helps the body transition naturally into deeper sleep. It helps the body understand because deep sleep, when it's time is where the brain does some of its most important work. When it's time to rest, strengthening natural memory, daylight during the day also supports mental better balance. Sleep at night. Supporting it helps clarity, the brain keep a healthy protecting rhythm. Cognitive and function when the rhythm over is strong, sleep there is something very reassuring. And I want you to remember. Deeper, the brain benefits, even after the final hour before bed, is incredibly one of the most important moments of the day to learn for your brain. It continues this is when to the adjust. Mind begins to slow down. It continues to soft respond lighting to how we quiet care for environments, calm and one activities. Of the most powerful all ways of these to signal to the brain is that by protecting the quality of sleep. And this helps not the body transition naturally into by making sleep. Evenings calmer. Because deep sleep, many people is where the brain does some of its most important something work. We slowly lose, strengthening no matter what. Memory. But what I've seen over the years balance, tells a different story. Supporting clarity, small daily protecting habits, cognitive especially the ones we repeat every night. There is something very reassuring I want you to remember. Over time. The brain, even after this is 65, where awareness becomes is incredibly adaptable. For example, it continues to learn. Dimming the lights in the evening continues to adjust. Help the brain prepare. It continues to respond to lower light levels. Signal that the day one of the most coming powerful ways to support it. The body begins to protecting the quality of sleep. The not by making life complicated, reducing screen time before evenings calmer can also make a noticeable difference. Many people believe that mental clarity bright screens is something we slowly brain alert no matter what. It should be winding down. But what I've seen over the years just setting tells aside devices a little earlier in the evening daily habits can help support, especially the ones we repeat every night. Another gentle how the brain feels is creating a predictable bedtime rhythm. And this is where awareness becomes at around the same time each night. For example, helps the brain dimming the lights in the evening. It learns when the brain prepare for rest. And over time, lower light levels becomes easier to fall into deeper sleep more naturally. The body begins to relax. There is also something to be said about the emotional environment of the evening. Reducing stress, screen time before intense bed conversation can also make a mental overload difference. Right before bed. Bright screens can make it harder for the brain to slow down. It should be winding down. The mind keeps replaying even just thoughts, setting aside plans, devices a little earlier in the evening. But when the evening becomes quieter and more peaceful, the brain follows that signal. Is creating a predictable bedtime rhythm. Others going to sleep at around the same time each night. Some simply enjoy sitting in silence for a few moments before bed. It learns when to expect rest. There is no single perfect routine. Over time, it becomes easier to fall into deeper sleep more naturally. Because calm prepares there is also something to be said about the emotional environment of the supports the brain. Stress, another intense factor that often gets overlooked, and is mental overload during the day before bed. Even make it harder for the brain to slow down. Naturally ready for sleep later on. The mind keeps replaying thoughts, walking, plans, stretching, and worries, or staying gently active. But when the evening becomes helps regulate energy levels and supports deeper rest at night. Some people find comfort in reading. Many people notice something very interesting. Some simply enjoy sitting in silence for a few moments. They feel more steady in their thoughts. There is no single they remember things more easily. The key is creating more like themselves. Because not because anything dramatic happened overnight, and but because the brain finally had the opportunity. Another factor that often gets overlooked is movement during the day. Repair, even light activity can help the body feel naturally ready for sleep later on. It's important to remember that the goal is not perfection. Stretching, or staying gently active when sleep helps regulate energy levels. Nights when you wake up, deeper rest at night. Nights when your mind feels more active. Sleep improves. That's part of life. Many people notice something but very interesting. When evenings become calmer wake up and sleep becomes deeper. They feel more steady in their thoughts, quiet but meaningful ways. They remember things more easily. Many people don't notice the change more like themselves. But gradually, not because they begin to feel more present overnight, more focused, but because the brain more mentally had the opportunity. And those small improvements can shape how each day feels. Repair. The brain thrives on consistency. It's important to remember that the goal is not perfection. On rest. There
And
will
after
always be
65,
nights when sleep is
protecting
lighter.
those things becomes
Nights
more
when you wake
valuable
up
than ever.
Nights when
This
your
is why
mind feels
nighttime
more
habits
active.
matter.
That's part
Not
of
because
life.
they are dangerous,
But over time,
but
when
because they
evenings
are
become
repeated,
calmer and sleep
night
becomes
after
deeper,
night,
the brain
year
benefits in
after
quiet
year.
but meaningful
And over
ways.
time,
Many
repetition
people don't
shapes
notice
results.
the change right away.
The encouraging
But
part
gradually,
is that it doesn't
they
take
begin to
drastic
feel more
changes.
present,
Just
more
small
focused,
adjustments,
more
a
mentally
calmer
steady.
evening,
And
little
those
less
small improvements
stimulation,
can shape how
a
each
little
day
more
feels.
attention to rest.
The brain
And
thrives
slowly,
on consistency.
the brain responds.
It thrives on rhythm.
You may notice mornings
It thrives
feel
on
clearer.
rest.
And
You
after
may feel
65,
more mentally balanced.
protecting those
You
things
may feel more
becomes
connected
valuable
to conversations
than ever.
and daily
This
moments.
is why nighttime
And these are the
habits
kinds
matter.
of changes that help
Not
support
because they are
confidence and
dangerous,
independence over
but
time.
because they are repeated.
Because feeling mentally
night
present
after
matters.
night,
Feeling
year
sharp
after
matters.
years.
Feeling
And over
steady
time,
in your thoughts
repetition
matters.
shapes results.
And often,
The encouraging
foundation
part
for that
is that it doesn't
begins
take
at
drastic
night.
changes. Just
Before we
small
close,
adjustments.
I want to thank you
calmer
for taking
evening,
this time to
a
care
little
about
less
your health and your
stimulation,
future.
a little more
Learning,
attention to
paying
rest.
attention, and
And
making
slowly,
small, thoughtful
the brain
changes
responds.
can truly make a
You
difference
may notice
over the
mornings
years.
feel
If this
clearer.
video has been
You
helpful
may
to
feel
you,
more mentally
I'd like to
balanced.
gently invite
You
you
may
to
feel more
subscribe to the
connected to
channel
conversations
and leave a
and
like
daily
so
moments.
more people can
And
find
these
this
are the kinds of
information
changes
and
that help
benefit
support
from it as well.
confidence and independence
And if
over
you'd like
time.
to explore further,
Because feeling
you can
mentally
also
present
find more details
matters.
in the link below
Feeling
about the
sharp
natural
matters.
supplement mentioned
Feeling
earlier
steady in
that
your
many
thoughts
older adults
matters.
have been adding to their
And often,
routines
the
as
foundation
part
for
of
that
supporting brain
begins
health and
at
overall
night.
well-being. Before we close,
Thank you for being
I want
here
to
with
thank
me
you
today.
for taking this time
Take
to
care of
care
your
about
sleep,
your health and your
and
future.
you'll be taking care of your mind.
Learning, paying attention, and making small, thoughtful changes can truly make a difference over the years. If this video has been helpful to you, I'd like to gently invite you to subscribe to the channel and leave a like so more people can find this information and benefit from it as well. And if you'd like to explore further, you can also find more details in the link below about the natural supplement mentioned earlier that many older adults have been adding to their routines as part of supporting brain health and overall well-being. Thank you for being here with me today. Take care of your sleep, and you'll be taking care of your mind.
Join us on Healthcare Seniors.
Be part of our community and watch the next video.